Everyone, welcome to our DSA series day 7. So our today's problem statement is left rotate array by k places. So we are given an array. Here is our array and the k value is 3. So we need to rotate the array by k places. Left rotate by k places. So the output is look like 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. We move 1, 2, 3 at the end. We need to rotate left rotate. Okay. So our final array is look like this. For this problem statement, for this problem, we first see the brute force approach. Here's a brute force approach code. So let's understand the code. First, we store the size of array. Here, we store the size of array. Then, we write k modulo n. This handle cases where k is greater than the array size. For example, let's see here, n is equals to 7 and k is equals to 10. Tan module 7 is equals to 3. So, rotating by 10 places is exactly same as rotating 3 places. Okay, creating a new temporary vector. We create a new temporary vector to store the first k elements. Store the first k elements here. Okay, now shift all the remaining elements by left by k position here. Notice the array becomes like say 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7. Notice that last position are still unchanged. Now we copy all the sorted element from temp to the last k position. So finally array becomes 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, to solving this problem with this brute force approach, the time complexity is big O of n and the space complexity is big O of k. Time complexity big O of n, we traverse the array a few times, but overall it's a linear. Okay, and the same as space complexity is big O of k because we're storing the first key element in the temporary vector. Now, let's understand the optimized approach. For this approach, we first reverse the kth element. Okay. Then we reverse the remaining elements, finally reverse the entire array. And that's all. That's our answer. This is the optimized approach. For solving this approach, the time complexity is big O of n. The reverse operations together process the array in the linear time. But here the space complexity is big O of 1. Everything is done in place without any extra array. So thanks to all.